Hey guys, today I'm going to air roast a steak in my Comfee oven. So let's get roasting. I've got a beef chuck eye steak here. I saw this, there was two in a package. These were $7.99 a pound, so it was $16.06 for two of these. I cooked a smaller one yesterday to try this out, and I cooked that one on the air fry setting. I actually meant to do it on the air roast setting, but I accidentally set the oven wrong. So I'm going to do this one on the air roast setting and see how that turns out. So I'm just going to season it all around with some kosher salt and some Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. This 10-inch cast iron skillet fits perfectly in this oven, so I'm going to use that. I put the oven rack in the middle, and we'll get this going. I have it set to air roast at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and the oven's set for 25 minutes, but I'm just going to keep an eye on it. Not quite sure how long it'll take. It's been about 12 or 13 minutes here, so I'm going to pull this out and flip it over. And we'll get it back in there. It's been about 21 minutes. I'm going to pull that out and check the internal temperature of it now. I usually cook beef steak until the internal temperature is about 130 degrees Fahrenheit, but this is a fairly fatty piece of meat, so we'll see where that is. That's kind of a, alright, it's like 164, 165 right there. That's 145. I can see blood coming out of the center of it though, so, and it feels fairly soft. It's like 135, 136 right there. See a little blood coming out. I think that's pretty good. I'm just going to let it rest in the pan for a few minutes and then we'll try it out. This looks nice on the outside. It's been resting for about 10 minutes or so. So now what I'm going to do is just cut it right in half, right across the whole steak here. And we'll see what the inside looks like. Okay, if I can cut it. Got a piece of fat right there in the middle, holding it together. Alright, so we got sort of different sections. It's a little more rare there on that end, and it's a little more cooked on this side. So kind of gives you a little bit of variety, but it looks really juicy. So I'd say that looks pretty good. I sliced a few little pieces off here. I'm going to take a piece from the center right there and try that. That came out really good. It's tender and juicy. Let's see what Annie thinks. Want to try it, Annie? There you go. I guess it's Annie approved. That turned out good. It had a nice crust on the outside. It was nice and tender and juicy on the inside. So anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.